Niner, dew point 16, altimeter 3003. Visual approach rolling 33 in use, NOTAMs, crane obstruction 3.3 nautical miles northeast of Bowman, 365 feet AGL flagged and lit. All aircraft use caution for increased bird activity in the vicinity of Bowman. All aircraft feedback hold short instructions and sign altitudes. Advise news contact, give information, Romeo.
Romeo. Let's call up Bowman ground. Alright, so a lot of people be wondering why sometimes I don't write down my VFR departure clearance, because out of Bowman, it's pretty much the same thing. The only thing that will be changed is depending on the direction of flight you're going. So east is different, north is different, west is different, of course south is different. So I know normally east is 090 heading at or below 2,500. Departure frequency 132.07, which is normal what they give you on all directions. Unless you're going west, they might give you tower. And the squawk code, if you can guess that anytime, you're a bad man or a woman. So pretty much the only thing that stays the same is the altitude at or below 2,500 until you get past on the departure, and they'll clear you to your altitude at the right time. So it's pretty much that. So I'm anticipating this time. I don't know what heading they're gonna give me since I'm going southwest, but yeah, 2,500. 132.07, maybe something else different just because I'm going southwest, but going towards SDF, and we shall see. All right, let's see what they talk about. Bowman ground, good morning. Lance 2245 Alpha with request.
Lance 2245 Alpha, Bowman ground, sir, request.
Yes, sir, I'm outside of West Tees with Romeo, looking for a VFR flight following to E-Town, Echo Kilo X-ray at 4,500, please.
Lance 45 Alpha, that's on request. Runway 33, taxi via Delta Charlie.
33 via Delta Charlie, 45 Alpha. All right, parking brake off.
And Lance 45 Alpha, you ready?
Yes, sir, ready to copy, 45 Alpha.
Lance 45 Alpha on departure, flight heading 090, maintain VFR at or below 2,500. Departure frequencies 132.07, squawk 4263.
All right, on departure flight, initial heading 090 at or below 2,500. Departure frequency 132.07, squawk 4263, 45 Alpha.
Lance 45 Alpha, reback correct.
All right, great, reback correct. 090 going southwest bound, it worked out great. Let's go ahead and match our heading up. 090, we're going to bug that. 24, it's right now on the DG. Gonna match it up on the HSI. Oh, HI. Gonna close that here. Gonna close that there. Double check. There. Full rich. Let's go back to our checklist. Alright, master switch on, electrical instruments. Switch over to tower. 132.07. Alright, instruments good. Fuel selector, proper tank, electric fuel pump is on. Engine gauges looking great. Seat belts on. Mixture set, propeller set. Harnesses, seat belts snug, flap set, trim set. Trim is set. Flight controls free and correct. Free and correct. Free and correct. Doors is latched and closed. Doors latched. Parking brake released. Cowling flaps open. Looking good. Next one, normal takeoff. Fire flaps is necessary. Trim slightly aft for neutral. We got that set. Throttle 3600 mixture full rich. Airspeed climb out at 80 miles per hour. Alright, great. Let's make it work. Once this plane lands right here, we're gonna
Bowman Tower 0 and Whiskey has the departing runway, or aircraft in sight.
November 66, oh, I'm sorry, disregard. November 01 Whiskey, you can start your turn inbound for runway 33.
Turn inbound for 3301 Whiskey.
November 4 Juliet Alpha, resequence, just continue on the downwind and follow a Cherokee currently directly ahead of you. They're on a dogleg right base for runway 33. They're 1,500 indicated, about 12 o'clock in a mile and a half.
Continuing on our downwind, we've got that traffic on our 1 o'clock and 33 clear for the Addington Juliet Alpha.
Thanks. Thank you. Number 01 Whiskey, as you do turn in, there's going to be traffic heading to your right. Has you in sight, 1.5 miles Cessna. They're going to extend their downwind to follow you, opposite direction.
All right, I got that traffic in sight, 01 Whiskey.
Bowman Tower lands 2245 Alpha, holding short of runway 33, ready for departure.
November 45 Alpha, just fly runway heading for now. Or actually, yeah, I'll call your turn to the right of a heading of 090, runway 33, clear for takeoff.
All right, fly runway heading, runway 33, clear for takeoff, 45 Alpha.
40 Alpha, number 2 now, follow the Cherokee, runway 33, clear for the option. Diamond 0 Charlie Tango, follow traffic 1.5 miles ahead of you, extending their downwind Cessna, runway 24, correction, runway 33, clear for the option.
We'll follow that traffic, number 33 clear for the option for 90 Charlie Tango.
November 2 Tango Hotel, you're going to follow the Diamond just ahead of you, beam the approach in, number 4, runway 33, clear for the option.
Number 4,
all right, good.
33 clear for the option.
Runway, little right crosswind. Airspeed is alive.
At Bowman Tower, 01 Whiskey.
Affirmative, wind 0404, runway 33, clear to land.
Clear to land, 33, 01 Whiskey.
We're at 80, we're going to rotate. I'm out at 80, 85. Positive rate of climb, gear up. Gear is up. Runway heading.
November 45 Alpha, you can start your right turn to a heading of 090 and contact departure. Have a safe flight.
All right, right turn 090, over to departure. Thank you, sir. 45 Alpha.
No problem.
All right. 3207. Keep that turn coming in. Still in a 090 heading.
466 Whiskey, squawk 0134.
0134, 2826 Whiskey.
Kona 222, contact Indianapolis Center 124.77. Have a good day.
124.77, you as well, Center 222.
Slow departure, good morning. Lands 2245 Alpha, 090 heading 2000.
Our altitude indicates 3,400. Proceed direct to Bowman. Can you remain clear of the restricted area of Fort Knox on your own navigation, or would you like vectors?
Roger, we'll proceed direct to Bowman, and we can remain clear of the restricted area 6 Whiskey.
Roger.
Slow departure, good morning. Lands 2245 Alpha, 090 heading 2100 climbing.
November 2245 Alpha, will approach. Full altimeter 3004, ident.
04 ident, 45 Alpha.
November 45 Alpha, you're at a contact a mile northeast of the Bowman Airfield. Altitude indicates 2,300. Climb maintain VFR 4,500. And you can turn right on course. Remain clear of the restricted area of Fort Knox. It is active. Suggest you go down the east side.
Yes, sir. 4,500, clear direct, and we'll remain clear of the restricted area, 45 Alpha.
45 Alpha, contact Louisville approach on 120.3, please, 20.3.
120.3, 45 Alpha. Slow approach, good morning, lands 2245 Alpha, direct E-Town, 3000, climbing.
Lands 2245 Alpha, local approach, local altimeter 3004.
3004, 45 Alpha.
Louisville approach, exit jet 531, 7,500 for 6,000, heading 225.
Exit 531, Louisville approach, is going to maintain 3,000.
So maintain 3,000, exit jet 531.
Southwest 1882, contact tower 124.2, good day.
124.2, tower, Southwest 1882, see ya.
All right, so let's take it clear of the restricted. We're still climbing. Good climb in, oil pressure looking good, oil temp. Amps positive, suction looks great. Burning 22 an hour right now in this climb. 1,000 more feet to go.
Lance 45 Alpha, you are familiar with 3704, correct?
Yes, sir. We're going to fly south of the restricted area, 45 Alpha.
45 Alpha, roger. That's a perfect heading for right there. I'll get you on the west side of the finals, and then we'll take you southbound.
Yes, sir. 45 Alpha, thank you. All right, great. Those are the Kelvin flaps.
45 Alpha, turn right heading 230, I'll get you across final.
230, right turn, 45 Alpha. All right, let's see if this autopilot works.
Airport state, when it helps, EasyJet 531.
EasyJet 531, clear visual approach runway 35 right. You'll have a Lance passing overhead 4,500.
Cleared visual 35 right, EasyJet 531, and we'll be looking. Thanks.
Five Alpha, you're clear of the finals. If you would like to proceed southbound, if you want a heading, just let me know.
Yes, sir. Proceeding southbound, 45 Alpha. All right, let's go ahead and make that turn southbound. All right, so I can't go direct E-Town because there's a restricted area right over, pretty much on the pathway to E-Town, Military Air Base Fort Knox, restricted area 3704B and A, which extends from the ground all the way to 20,000 feet. It is active, so we're vectoring around, going directly southbound.
Good tower 24-2, you too. 2289.
So as you can see right there. Yeah, there's people in that. There's people in that airspace. A plane over there flying. No clue what kind of plane it is.
Station 134-9er, Zulu, weather, wind 020 at 4, visibility 10, clear below 12,000, temperature 21 Celsius, dew point 15, altimeter 3005.
Station 981, 7.3,
3981, Louisville approach, roger.
Addington Field, Elizabethtown Regional Airport.
It's 9318 heavy at altitude, contact tower 124.2, good night.
Switch tower at Upsco, you get 9318.
Unicom 1228. Great. So we know we're going to be expecting runway 05. Best wind. Plenty of landing distance on that runway. 6,000 feet. Weather's good. Wind's not too crazy. So, should be a nice approach in.
No 45 Alpha, you can proceed direct to Elizabethtown. Actually, looks like you're in the turn now. And appears 1 in the pattern 1,800. Change advisory frequencies approved. Our services are terminated. Have a good day.
All right, frequency change approved, and we have the airport in sight. You have a great day. 45 Alpha, thanks. All right, we're going to switch to frequency.
Yeah, Papa inbound for 36 full stop, about 12 miles to the north.
E-Town traffic lands 2245 Alpha is entering the left downwind, runway 5, E-Town.
Jamestown, 7344 Yankee, turning final, runway 01, full stop, Jamestown. Real traffic, Radar 72 is on at 5 miles, great. 45 for runway 36.
Let's put our gear down. Gear down, we got 3 green.
E-Town traffic, Cardinal 34 X-ray on the roll, touch and go 5 E-Town.
Got that traffic in sight.
Down traffic, 4 Hotel is final for 5. We'll be landing in the grass to the left of the runway.
We got final stop inside as well.
Mixture for Rich.
Okay, sir.
Prop
Jack Express traffic, jet November 316, Golf Echo. 10 miles to the north, and we'll be in. Eastbound traffic, 4 Hotels, back taxiing into grass. To the left of 5, I have traffic on downwind in sight, and I will hold.
Eastbound traffic, Cardinal 34 X-ray, left crosswind 5 Eastbound. Issues with the GPS of the air.
E-Town traffic lands 2245 Alpha, left base, runway 54, stop E-Town. All right, great. Second notch of flaps.
Eastbound traffic, Cub 4 Hotel, we're going to depart on 5 in the grass.
E-Town traffic lands 2245 Alpha is turning base to final, runway 54, stop E-Town. We got the departing traffic in sight. E-Town traffic.
Eastbound traffic, Cardinal 34 X-ray, left downwind 5 Eastbound.
All right, we got final. Landing light is on, everything's on. Approach. Fuel selector seats back, fuel pump on, mixture for Rich. Prop 4 forward. Last notch of flaps. Gas, undercarriage, got 3 green. Mixture, prop, switches, everything's on. Gear, flaps, air conditioning, we're good. All right, we got runway made. Threshold, we're gonna hold power out. Floaty.
Eastbound traffic, 4 Hotel, left crosswind for 5.